Let's talk about a different way to resolve issues with student behavior. Remember, offending behavior is an opportunity to educate. Problem behaviors are usually predictable, and as you know, they're oftentimes followed by more predictable problem behaviors. In the classroom, it's best to be proactive. Remember to assess the situation. How serious or intense is it? Remember, we always want to maintain the flow of instruction. If a student continues to not do what they're supposed to, we can repeat directions privately to them, as not to draw any additional student attention in the classroom. Remember, if they continue to not do what's asked, it's best to disengage. Respond to the class, especially the students that are doing what they're supposed to do in a positive way. And remember to always keep calm. Make sure you provide focus on student decision making, especially when a student decides to do what they're supposed to or what they're asked during instruction. There are some keys to understanding behavioral change. Teacher responses reinforce student behaviors. We have to remember that teacher responses set the occasions for students' subsequent behaviors, and that student behaviors can be managed based on how teachers respond. To determine how to change these patterns that we see in the classroom, we need to figure out how they're manifested and maintained. Most problem behaviors occur because students have needs they need to fulfill. They may do it through seeking reinforcement, avoidance, attention. Usually we expect it to be positive, but at times it can be done through negative means. This is when we start to see behavioral change. Described as a series of discrete behaviors with each step in the chain prompting the next step. When we talk about behavioral chains, we need to remember that they manifest themselves in the classroom. They refer to social behaviors that escalate. But through analysis, we can identify their origin, where they begin. And then once we determine their origin, we can develop interventions that can be successfully applied.